Bentota is the Sri Lanka's best water sports capital, and Riverside Airolea is the exclusive spot for surfers and jet skiers alike. Our comprehensive water sports center is equipped with jet skis, water skis, surfboards, speedboats, and much more. You can also become the Iron Man of the water with the newest member of our water sports family, the Flyboard. Our well-trained and experienced instructors and certificate holders are pleased to welcome you in our Water Sports Center and to assist you in the discovery of the richness of the tropical waters of the Indian Ocean. The training is carried out by the Sri Lankan's top windsurfer and water skiing champions. The Sports Center attendants have plenty of tips and information to aid you. Whether you want to enjoy yourself with your friends on a Super Mabel boat or experience an adrenaline rush on a speedboat, Riverside Airolea is the place to be. Flyboard, become the Iron Man of the water with the newest member of the water sports family, the Flyboard. Our staff will teach you how to ride these gravity-defying beasts while you can enjoy the new generation of extreme sports. Jet ski: enjoy a ride on our top-of-the-line jet skis with a staff member, or cruise the river by yourself with our jet ski rental service. Bandwagon: the most challenging of the inflatables. Up to 4 people have to work together to keep your balance and try not to fall off. Mangrove boat tours: relax in one of our cruise boats while we show the beautiful Bentota River mangroves. One of the best sights Sri Lanka has to offer. Kayak tour: if you want to sightsee while being a little more active, we also provide tours of the mangrove by kayak. Stand-up paddleboard: cruise around the river at your own pace with the stand-up paddleboard. If you've never rode one before, don't worry. Our experienced staff will teach you how to ride one in no time at all. Wakeboarding: if you're looking for something with action, get towed by our speedboat while you try wakeboarding. If it's your first time, we offer lessons. Come try it out. Water skiing: Riverside Airolea is home of the Sri Lankan water ski champion, Chandra Siri. We offer the most experienced staff to train beginners. Come try it out. Snorkel tours: see what's under the water with our snorkeling tours. Take a short boat ride to the location and enjoy the safety of snorkeling with one of our trained snorkeling instructors. Scuba diving: want go deeper? We offer scuba diving courses for everyone. Whether it's your first time or you're an experienced diver with a license, our PADI certified instructor will take you to show you the best underwater spots in the area and ensure you a safe diving experience.
If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe.